Thank you again for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
All you want to do when you find the most beautiful thing you've ever found in your entire life is share it with people. Congratulations for giving me your very best. It was an honor.
There's nothing to be distracted with. You're here and you're doing it all the whole 3 days. It was good. It was amazing.
I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot. It's well worth it to invest in yourself, to take this class. It was truly a miracle.
A little nervous at first, really skeptical about what I was going to experience, what I was going to go through, how it was going to be, and so you always have that nervous feeling about what's going to happen. I will say this, it was amazing. I learned so much. Her energy, Miss Ortega's energy is amazing spiritually. She teaches well, she's on it, and I enjoyed the class, every minute of it.
Don't let your age stop you either. I thought I was too old to do something like this, but the energy here, what you learn, it gets you ready to go out and tackle coding.
This is 3 days and we're gonna go pass our test, and thank you, Miss Ortega.
The team is amazing. They walk around, they answer any questions you might have. If you feel like you're not one to keep up, because it is a very fast-paced class, they are there to assist you and to fill in any blanks that you may have missed.
Hi, we're actually local. We're here at the medical coding, and we really enjoyed everything. Miss Ortega was a very good teacher. Amazing. We learned a lot within the 3 days. It's very intense.
Very intense, yes.
Very intense. Very intense. We're actually mother and daughter. We decided to come and do the class together. And I am so appreciative of my daughter in pushing me into taking the class.
Aprendimos mucho. Fueron 3 días muy llenos, intensos, pero tenemos mucha información que nos va a ayudar a poder pasar nuestro examen. Gracias.
Les recomiendo a todos que vengan con ella, es una buena maestra.
Fue un poco difícil, casi no dormimos, pero al final lo hizo muy divertido y vale la pena.
Keep it moving! Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Have a blessed day and see you next time.